We have the National Road Safety Week organized by the Government of India, and we have come here to create an awareness about road safety. And here it is, there is something which is very clearly mentioned. There is a compensation that the government offers to people who are grievous hurt. There is 50,000 that is being given to the person and the injured person, and if the person is dead, then the family member gets 2 lakhs. So it's very clearly mentioned on this banner that is here. It's a compensation scheme for the injured, the victims, the family of the victims. Also, I'd like to highlight about speed breakers that are around in Goa. Especially if you look at most of the villages, there is no painting on the speed breakers, there are no reflectors. Very often you see that there are no signboards at the sides, which is causing a lot of nuisance and a lot of problems to the drivers, riders, especially to the people who are riding fast. They can cause serious accidents because of that.
Yes.
So I think we need to take this very seriously. Another thing that I would like to highlight is that there is something called the Good Samaritan law, and the Supreme Court has passed a judgment in 2016 where about the act has come with an insert of 134 section 134A, which speaks about protection for Good Samaritan. Now, who is a Good Samaritan? A Good Samaritan is a person on the road where he sees a person who has been injured in an accident, and he's scared that if he takes him to the police station, he takes him to the hospital, he'll be unnecessary into complications. So the Niran Rasta, I don't want to take him to the hospital. But here is a section 134A which speaks very clearly that there will be no liabilities, criminal or civil whatsoever. He will have he will not be under any compulsion to come as a witness to the court. He will be taken to the hospital and he can admit the patient without any hassles. And most important, that there is no harassment that he will undergo through the police. So this is something which many people should know, because there is something called the golden hour, and at that time you can save a person who is injured on the road. But people get scared. So let us create this awareness about this section 134A and let people come and encourage. And also, as a Good Samaritan helping the person, you may be rewarded by the government for doing something, a noble cause, helping someone. Thank you very much.